up, ladies and gentlemen? I am your host, Connor Travis, here on the Travis Produce YouTube channel, and today we got a busy day ahead of us. Right now, we have the accumulator, the baler, the tractor, the dozer, the hay carrier, the feedlot, the other semi. We got everything here right now. We got trucks, we got the little tractor, we got literally every piece of equipment here that you could possibly think of here except the combine. Combine's up there. Anyways, so here's what we're doing. I am sitting here by the John Deere 348 baler, and here's the plan. I have to pull off the stationary knife, which is right here. I have to pull it off because, as you can tell, it's all dinged up, all sorts of dinged up. So I'm going to go sharpen that, and also need to take off the plunger knife right there. It's all sorts of dinged up too. It's not going to really amount to much, kind of like me. Anyways, we got to take that off, and then we have to pretty much sharpen them, I guess. I don't really know. I'm not that smart, so. Why do I keep telling these guys this stuff? They don't even know that. Oh, what the heck? What color is that? It's like red. It's like a piece of junk. What the heck? I mean, I know that's straight from heaven, but what the? Oh, it's Khuns manufacturing. Okay, yeah, that's okay, man. I thought we had a piece of case equipment out here, and my heart was beating real fast. I had a heart attack. Like, what the heck? I mean, red equipment never runs good. I mean, don't be looking at my truck or anything. That's a different story. But, anyways, yeah, red equipment I'm just kidding, you red guys, jeepers. Here we go. This just feels wonderful on my chest. If you guys didn't know, if you say brop when you're working really hard, it gives you like 15% more horsepower, just to let you know. It's a pretty important step. I recommend it. Now, I have to put my legs up on that bar right up there. Got hooking like cat, and then I gotta pull myself up like cat. And I'll maybe be getting out. Stop laughing, guys. Yes, if you're watching this video, you can add this to the stupid things that I've done this week. Definitely have a feeling that this is not going to help at all. I gotta take the loader off my dad's tractor right here. All it takes is you pull it, push down, pull out. That's all it is. I like doing it that way so it keeps the pin with the loader. I started baling a few minutes ago, and I must have hit a rock or something because I bent a piece on the baler. So now Dad is getting heated up. I'm gonna be ready with the fire extinguisher here. It's on fire.
You be watching some fire anyway.
This piece of equipment is a hay rake. What it's doing is taking two windrows that were mowed by our mower and mashing them into one. It helps with the drying process, and less passes across the field with the baler, so it makes it quicker. Well, I drove around for about 20 minutes thinking that this thing was on, and it wasn't. So right now, Logan is loading them on the trailer, and I'm rounding them up for him. Connor gets to run the baler, because he's all big and YouTube famous. Me and Logan get the common people job, picking them all up after him. It's kind of like a rock star. He's all famous. We just do the grunt work. He gets in the nice tractor with the air conditioning cab. And we just slave away out here for it. But it's not too bad. So what you guys are seeing here is a hay grapple. It takes a pallet of bales, which is 10 bales, and carries them across the field. It's real boring out here without a radio or anybody to talk to. So I'm glad you folks are here. I don't seem crazy talking to myself. Again, this is a grapple, except it's set up on a tractor. Happens to be my tractor, but what Logan's doing here is he's taking the pallets of 10 that Tristan has stacked around the field, and he's loading them onto my pickup, which is that red pickup right there, and then we take the red pickup to a barn where either Tristan or Logan will take one of their two grapples, and they'll go and unload the bales into a barn so they're sheltered for a little while. We think it's the easiest, simplest way. So far it's been treating us well. So what Logan's doing here is he's putting the pallets of 10 on what we call a hay rack. The hay racks can range from carrying 100 bales to 120 bales. And not only do we have hay racks, we have a lowboy trailer, which they stack on. We also have two semi-trailers and two gooseneck trailers that they load hay on too. And they all range in different amounts that they can carry, but by far the semi-trailers can carry the most. Logan does a great job here. What he's doing is he's pushing those bales that are already on the hay rack to where they're perfectly straight across the whole entire hay rack. Otherwise, they won't ride down the road. Now, you can't go very fast with hay racks, but as long as they're stacked like he's stacking them right now, you can't go wrong. They're not going to fall off, and they're going to be sitting there perfectly the rest of the day. Gotta fix Connor's mistake. Oh! Thanks. Well, I forgot to record an outro for my video, or an ending, so here it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching the YouTube video. If you guys like it, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to RFD TV. I got the neat opportunity to be on there, so stay tuned to that, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.